Morning guys, in front of me is Motorola Moto G86 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first open the settings, then find and select Personalize, mark Wallpaper, and you can either choose it from your own photos or from curated wallpapers. Pick the photo that you want to cover your lock screen with, then let's go to home screen. Just mark it to see how it looks on both. And if you want to apply it, just mark set wallpaper and then decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. And that's it, that will be all. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.